because if uyacheka wonke umuntu ekufike la washayisa khona mawumbuza ukuthi endoda kwenzakalani akekho othi mina ngadecide ufuna ufala i-background ya mina ngikhulu baba ngekho mina ngathi mangikhulu baba wahlukana nomama mina abazali bami banganginaki thina ekhaya beswela akekho umuntu othatha accountability completely ukuthi mina ndoda ungibona ngisokola so yimi ngadecide ukuyeka isikole
bangitshele
ekhaya bangitshela ukuthi angifuni wonke umuntu uphusha i-responsibility to the next person you understand and mangathi uyacheka lento leyo yenza ukuthi sikhule naselifini singekho bantu aba-accountable uba liphathe GBV angithi uyabuza kumuntu ukuthi masomshayelana athi ungiphushile but i-behavior yakho it's completely in your hands you understand but ngoba awujwayelanga ukuthatha accountability uthatha lento uyiphushe to the next person